What's up guys, in this video I am going to show you how to import data from web pages into Google Sheets. So let's get right into it. Go to the A1 cell and type in the equal sign followed by the word import and press on the import HTML option. Now type in the quotation marks and copy the URL you are using and paste it. Enter in the quotation marks again, and enter a comma, followed by quotation marks again, and enter the word table. Follow by the quotation marks again, and another comma, and enter the number 1. Close your bracket and press enter. As you can see, you've just pulled a table from that URL, but that's not the table we want, the one we want, if the list of films table. So go back to the A1 cell and on the number 1 type in the number 2. Now, as you can see, we've got the table we wanted, the list of films 1 through 100 list. Now, if you don't want a table but want a list instead, go back to the formula and erase the word table and put in the word list. Now, it's giving us a list from the URL you've entered. In this case, it was from the main menu. Just play around with the index number by changing from 1 to 2 or 3. That way you'll find the table or list you want to import. And that's it, guys. That's how to import data from web pages into Google Sheets. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.